Number 1.
1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,500, finished in white with a gray interior. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a 5.7L 8-cylinder 350 Vortec engine paired with an automatic transmission. This is a 2WD model, making it ideal for those who prioritize highway comfort and fuel efficiency. The truck comes with an extended cab for added space and convenience, and it holds a clean title along with a clean VIN report. It has recently passed smog inspection, making it ready for registration and use in emission-regulated areas. Equipped with an aftermarket Fabtech suspension, custom wheels, and an aftermarket exhaust system, this Sierra offers enhanced style and performance. The air conditioning is functional, ensuring comfort during warm weather. However, it's important to note that the flywheel needs to be replaced, which will be a necessary repair for the next owner.
Number 2.
1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500, a well-kept extended cab, short wheelbase pickup finished in black with a clean gray interior. With 200,000 original miles on the body, the truck features a rebuilt 5.7L V8 engine and automatic transmission, both professionally redone with receipts included as proof of the work. It runs and drives excellently, offering a smooth and comfortable ride.
The vehicle is equipped with ice-cold air conditioning and is remarkably clean inside and out for its age. The truck comes with a clean and clear California title and is currently registered. Number 3.
1983 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, with only 68,123 original miles. It features a 305 small block V8 engine, automatic transmission, dual fuel tanks, cruise control, and has been garage kept since new. The truck is rust-free and runs exceptionally well. After replacing the fuel pump and filter, filling both tanks with premium fuel, and adding seafoam, it was driven around the Lubbock Loop 289 and performed flawlessly. The brown exterior and matching brown interior are in excellent shape, with a perfect dash and solid body. However, the door panel fabric is dry, the power windows are slow, and the fuel tank selector switch needs replacement. The tonneau cover is faded and brittle, and the tires are old. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1991 Ford Ranger, price $4,000, automatic pickup with a blue interior and has just 111,000 miles on the odometer.
Powered by a gasoline engine, it still runs strong despite needing some TLC.
The current owner is the third, based on information from the previous owner, who noted that the truck had been sitting and used for quite some time before they acquired it, which helps explain the relatively low mileage for its age. The Ranger is currently running, but it does have a few mechanical issues. There's a hole in the exhaust pipe, making it noticeably loud. The automatic transmission is also slipping. At one point, it even got stuck in neutral.
A transmission fluid change helped slightly, but the issue still persists. Additionally, there are a few leaks present, though their exact source is unknown. Number 5.
1977 Chevrolet K10, price $8,500. This truck is a rugged short-bed 4x4 pickup that combines classic style with serious off-road capability. It comes with a clean title and is in solid running condition. It starts, drives, and stops properly, making it a dependable choice for both daily use and weekend adventures. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 350 Chevy V8 engine, paired with a smooth-shifting 350 automatic transmission. The 4x4 system is fully operational, allowing this truck to tackle a variety of terrains with ease. All lights and turn signals are fully functional, ensuring it meets safety standards for street use. What really sets this K10 apart is its aggressive stance, thanks to a 10 to 12-inch lift kit and massive 15x 38-inch tires, giving it excellent ground clearance and a bold, commanding presence.
Number 6.
1998 Chevrolet 3500, price $6,000, features a powerful 454 big block V8 engine and rear-wheel drive. It has an automatic transmission and has been driven approximately 176,000 miles. The exterior and interior are both finished in tan, giving it a clean and consistent look. The truck runs and drives, but it will need some attention to the brakes and front-end components. Fortunately, a complete new front-end setup is included with the sale. Additionally, the driver's side door handle needs to be replaced. Despite these minor needs, the truck comes with a clean title and offers a solid foundation for someone looking for a reliable workhorse or a project with great potential.
Number 7.
1982 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It features a tan exterior paired with a clean interior and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it's powered by a small block 350 crate motor with approximately 35,000 miles on it, originally pulled from another truck. The engine is equipped with an Edelbrock Avius 2650 CFM carburetor and an aluminum intake, providing reliable performance. Mated to an SM465 manual transmission and an NP208 transfer case, it delivers the kind of rugged drivability enthusiasts expect from early 80s Chevy trucks. This truck remains at stock height but sits on aggressive 33-inch all-terrain tires, giving it a bold stance and capable road presence. The dual Flowmaster exhaust provides a classic rumble, and visibility at night is greatly improved thanks to LED aftermarket headlights. It's also equipped with working air conditioning, though the compressor belt will need replacement as the current one is stretched. Inside, a retro-style Bluetooth radio has been installed, blending modern convenience with old-school aesthetics. The truck drives and shifts just fine and everything functions as it should. Number 8. 1986 Chevrolet Silverado, price $7,000. This truck is a strong-running daily driver that blends classic style with modern upgrades. Under the hood, it's powered by a robust 454 engine with only 86,000 miles on it, paired with a 400 automatic transmission for smooth and reliable shifting. It features a brand new Edelbrock 650 carburetor and Edelbrock intake, ensuring improved performance and throttle response. The truck is also equipped with ceramic headers connected to Flowmaster 40 series mufflers and dual exhaust tips, giving it a deep, aggressive sound. It has new tires and wheels that enhance both its stance and handling. A new AC compressor has been installed for added comfort, and while a new dash pad is included, it has not yet been installed.
Number 9.
1984 Chevrolet C10, price $3,800, with approximately 88,000 miles on the odometer. Featuring a blue exterior and matching blue interior, it comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck is a two-wheel drive model and sits on rally rims, adding to its vintage appeal. Although it currently runs and drives, it requires some mechanical work to become fully roadworthy. Having sat and used for several years, the truck will need a full brake service, including new rotors and pads, as well as a carburetor rebuild, exhaust work, and replacement tires. It is equipped with dual gas tanks, a useful feature for extended driving once it's been restored.
Number 10.
1977 Ford F100, price $4,500, with a blue exterior and matching blue interior, powered by a reliable 300 CI straight-six engine paired with a manual 3-on-the-tree transmission.
Running on gasoline, this truck has great patina and a strong presence.
It runs and drives well, having recently made a round trip from Green Bay to the Iola Car Show without issue. While it performs reliably, starting, running, and stopping as it should, it will need a little attention. The carburetor has started acting up, causing the engine to rev up and down intermittently, possibly due to a choke issue. Everything else on the truck works, though the turn signal switch doesn't fully return on its own. Overall, this is a solid and mostly original classic that's ready to be enjoyed or taken to the next level with a bit of mechanical TLC.